everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to view the shipment list by shipment date wise in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Go to the customer service module. Here, we have to select the all shipments menu. Now, we will be navigated to the all shipment page. In the all shipment screen, choose the date range column in shipment date. Then select the duration for which we want to see the shipment list. And then click the submit button. Now the shipment list will be displayed on the screen. This is how to view the shipment list by shipment date wise in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.